hello 8th grade choir class. How are you doing today?
Good.
PE sucked.
Yeah, I agree. I never liked PE when I was your age either. So, when we look at the beginning of music, what do you guys see? Clefs, yes, we do.
We see the time signature.
The time signature, that's close to what I'm looking for. What else is there?
Those hashtags.
Yes, the hashtags in which we call
Hashtag
sharps.
Okay, sharps. Sorry.
Yeah, what do those sharps mean?
That's how you change.
Do you know? Yeah, that's how you change the notes.
It's the key signature.
That's what I'm looking for. Great job.
That's why I sit next to her.
Yeah, she gives you all the
That's why I
answers.
don't.
I mean, no.
Keeping my eye on you. Did you guys remember the order of the sharps and flats? Let's say them together. Let's go.
Which one are we saying?
Let's say the flats first.
Okay.
All right. So
Yes.
we're all gonna say them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, E, A, D, G, C, F. All right. Nice. And now we're going to do the sharps, or those hashtags.
Okay.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. F, C, G, D, A, E, B. All right, you guys are great. So remember last time we talked about where they go on the staffs here?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, today we're going to talk about key signatures. Has anybody heard of the circle of fifths? You kind of raised your hand. Do you want to attempt to? Do you want to attempt to explain it to us?
It's a circle that has the different key signatures in order. And like it starts with no flats or sharps, and then as you go around clockwise, it adds sharps until you get too many sharps.
Exactly. All right. So I've written this up here for you guys. So you guys remember that C major. I'm sure you guys all remember that C major has no sharps or flats.
That's my favorite key.
The best key.
Yeah.
It's definitely the easiest key.
It's my
In this
favorite.
direction, we have those sharps, or hashtags. And in this direction, we have the flats.
It looks like a B.
It is. It's kind of like a B.
Okay.
Yeah. So B flat kind of looks like BB.
Okay.
Yeah.
Big B.
All right. So if we go like this, we go G. These ones on the outside are major, and these ones on the inside are minor keys. So this one here has one sharp. So in a major key, that would be G major. That same key signature is also E minor. I'll show you what that would look like. Yes?
It is also the next key signature, the fifth note of the previous.
It is. I was getting to that. After I show you this, I will. So,
I have no
so what
idea
did
what
we
you're
say
talking
was the?
I told you that's why I sit next to her. Sorry.
Mhm. What did we say about the first sharp? What did we say that it was?
F.
F. So that means we would put that sharp right up here. And that would be G major or E minor. Yes, Victoria.
Can we put a time signature in? Is that okay?
What type signature do you want to put
12-8.
in? Okay.
If that even exists.
It does.
Oh. See, I'm so smart, guys.
There you go. All right. And what was said earlier was that the previous note is okay. So what's the difference here between C and G? Remember we talked about intervals?
Oh, you.
It sounds
The
like the
interval
Star Wars
between-
theme.
Yes. What do we call that interval though?
It's a 5.
Perfect fit.
It's a fifth. Hence the name circle of fifths. Because each one of these
Wow.
is a fifth. So that's an easy way to remember it. C to G is a fifth. G to D is a fifth. D to A is a fifth, and so on.
Cool.
So that's how we begin. Let's do one key signature that is flats. Let's do that B flat one that I was telling you about that looks like BB.
Yeah.
So we've got our lines here. Can everybody see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And let's continue in treble clef because it's easier to read for most people. So what does that mean? We have 0. What's this one here?
2.
2. All right. In the order of the flats, the first 2 are
B.
E. All right. So we've got B and E. And so that is your B flat or G minor key signature. All right, is everybody starting to get this?
Yeah.
All right, I want you guys to show me with your hands how many sharps are in E major. All got 4. All right. How about A flat?
Like there's one flat?
In the key signature of A flat, how many flats are there? Same answer, 4. Great job, you guys.
So, if they're both 4, does that mean that they sound the same?
Same, right?
The difference is 4 sharps versus 4 flats.
Okay.
So I can show you.
Sharps love the name. I hope that didn't make it out of the video.
All right. So the difference is there's 4. And so this is E, and this is A flat.
This doesn't sound anything alike.
Exactly.
Okay, so even if they have the same amount of stuff showing their key signature, it doesn't mean that they'll sound the same.
Exactly.
Okay.
So that's definitely something that you can't remember them by. But if you memorize this circle of fifths, you'll always remember all of your key signatures. All right. So now I have a little quiz for you guys. I want you guys to write both the major and minor equivalencies in there.
There's so many.
And for those of you guys that don't finish, you can turn it in as homework, and then we can discuss what we didn't understand tomorrow.
Do you have a pencil I can borrow, miss?
Thank you so much.
I was a cool kid. I don't know if you can tell.